Now there are some rules, you know, that you guys must remember to observe. Now moving ahead. If both of you will be doing the exam, I have to push up into the 5 o'clock group, which is a group that it's a group that it has a student who will be doing the exam this year. Now what that means is that you have to complete all the assignments that are given to you. Alright? Now you cannot come into the class. You will not be allowed in the class if you have not yet completed the assignment. Reason being, at least when you do the assignment, whether you get everything correct, yes or no, that is not the issue. I want to know what you were able to do and what you were not able to do. Hence the reason for the assignment to be done. If you feel as if you can challenge that course, then you go ahead and do the test. There's a test for sets, you go ahead and do it. But if you cannot challenge it, you have to go through the assignments. Alright? Let me unmute you. You understand, Miss Campbell?
Yes, 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 I'm following, I'm following.
Good. So even though you might have done the exam before, etc., you still would have to. Um, all right. So mathematics classes. We're going to be recapping sets lesson one. Miss Campbell, you were told to do it. I don't see you do anything at all. I don't see you
Mathematics?
do anything. Huh? Miss Campbell, you were told to do it, and you never do it. So, so by right, you shouldn't be in the class today, but because you're first class, we allow you in the first class. Next time, you will not be allowed. So make sure you be at. All right. Now we'll be looking at how to study mathematics. Chevel, how do you study mathematics? Let me hear from Chevel first.
Mathematics is really practicing.
Practice. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Good. What about you, Zanga? Zanga?
Oh, my son, mathematics?
Yes. Oh, you study mathematics. Yes.
Alright, for me, I don't study mathematics. I don't feel like anybody can study mathematics.
Okay.
Basically, mathematics is a thing that you have to practice. Once you practice it, then it will stick, you will perfect it.
Okay then. All right.
Yes, you study English and other subjects.
Oh, okay then. All right. So both of you basically saying the same thing. All right. All right. I took this from a book. What I'm about to write, I kind of took it from a book, but I kind of tweak it a bit. All right. Now it says, can somebody read that for me? Miss Campbell, can you read that for me, please?
Mathematics cannot be studied by reading. Mathematics cannot be memorized either.
Mm-hmm.
The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics.
Mm-hmm.
After watching the CDP math lab video tutorials based on a certain topic, you should questions on the topic to
But you should
practice
have
to
questions.
reinforce your understanding.
That's supposed to be you should have questions on the topic. Go ahead.
Of the principles. The more questions you do, the more confident you will be on the topic.
Very good. So basically, what you guys were saying, you have
I
to practice, right? So it says the only way to learn
Yeah, so basically
mathematics.
practice math.
Good. So the only way to learn
But
mathematics. Yeah, go ahead.
a section of math you can actually study. If you study the formula, know it back and front. You can't go wrong. No, you don't necessarily need to know how to do the work. You just know the formula.
But I want to tell you something now that those formulas are actually derived from something. So you don't need to memorize them either. But in due time, I'll show you how that is done. All right.
Yes.
Okay. Now, learn mathematics with CDP Maths Lab. One, you have to first watch your videos. Some persons might not like to watch videos, but please know that it's not a it's not again, it's not a movie, it's a video, right? So you expect to watch it as if you're reading a textbook in a sense. Or well, not really that, but as if you're in a class with a teacher. Good? Even though you might not be seeing someone, but you're seeing what they're talking about and you're hearing what they're talking about. Now, what you ought to do is to pause the video and follow instructions given. So if in the video you're told to pause, you pause it and do whatsoever you were asked to do. Then you play it again now when you're through to see if your answer was correct or what you did was the correct thing. Then the third thing, do the try these questions. It's a must. It tests to see if you understood what what was being demonstrated to you prior to the try this question. You pause the video and you try the question. If you get it incorrect, you try to figure out where you went wrong and go along. It is training, ladies. You're actually trained as if you're training for the Olympics. Number four, reinforce this knowledge by practicing questions taken from a textbook and more. I said and more because you could go on the internet and source questions of your own. Alright? Now I mute both of your mic because I hear background noise in the background. So if you want to say something, just send me a chat and I will open the mic so you can speak. Now, here's a video clip to demonstrate. Some of you might have seen the video already, but when I watch the entire video, we just want to demonstrate what you're supposed to do. Alright? Let me know if you can actually hear it.
Okay, once again we have another computation lesson. This is entitled Fractions and Decimals. Here are the following objectives.
Can you hear it?
At the end of this lesson, you should be able to 1. Perform computations using 1 to 4 base fractions
Yes.
and decimals.
Okay.
And then convert among fractions, percentages, and decimals. Can you do this question? 2.5 plus 1.25. Pause the video and try to solve this problem.
There's it right there. It says pause the video and try to solve the problem. You might be seeing the question for the first time, but still try something. That's how you do maths. You have to try something first, right? You're building your ability to think, to reason things out, make an intelligent guess, things like that. So you guys have to try these things. Don't just wait for the tutor to show you how to do something. Then you start to follow what them do. Try something first, right?
What is 2.5 plus 1.25? Okay, now here we have 1 whole. We have 1.5.
Now, if there's any demonstration clip in the video, you pause the video and you try to do something as well. You don't just watch it like a movie because my videos are not movies. Alright? None of them are actually movies. Okay? You guys can unmute your mic. I'm trying to unmute it. Alright. Let's proceed. Alright, let's go now. So we're gonna recap sets lesson 1. Now, of course, Chevelle did the she did her lesson, she submitted it. So Miss Campbell gonna ask you to observe and based on your prior knowledge or previous knowledge, you can also participate. All right. Now, so looking at identifying the symbols used in the sets language, can any of you identify this symbol? Tell me what the symbol means. Remember to raise your hand. Hello, Chevelle.
Union.
Union of the set.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
It means you combine the elements of a set given.
Uh-huh. What does, hold on. The background noise coming into your mind. Yeah, but does it mean that if you have two sets having similar things, does it mean you're going to rewrite the same thing twice? Or does it mean you're going to rewrite the same thing once?
No, you don't rewrite this. You don't rewrite the X one time, even if they're repeated.
Okay, so you write it one time if they are repeated. Good. You understand that, Zanga? Zanga? Zanga?
Yes. Are you hearing me?
They are hearing it. So you
All
understand
right.
what you
So
just said?
basically, you're going to get. Yes, I understand that you're going to have like the two circles and where the circles join, whatever is in both sets, you're going to put in the place where the circles join.
Yeah, but when you're writing the union of the two sets, you are not supposed to whatever is in the middle. All right, let me demonstrate that. Let's demonstrate that first. Let's just say that this was the Venn diagram. I have the two sets, and you see they're joined together. Sorry. All right, so hold on. So they overlap like this. Good. In other words, then whatever is in right at this area of the Venn diagram where they intersect, you would not write that the elements right here two times. You write them once when you're forming the union. Right? That clear?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, good. What does the symbol mean? Your turn now. Miss Campbell, what does the symbol mean right here?
I mean, not a symbol, not in union. So,
This symbol right here?
for example,
Is what I'm touching?
yes, I'm not sure, but it would mean that whatever in the set, it is not a union. So it would be either in one set or another set, but not in both.
No. Alright. You see why I should watch the video? Alright. Chevelle, go ahead.
So I really want to watch it, but I just never get the time.
Oh, yeah, we try to make time. We talk about time management.
And I tell you true, my daughter's sick, so
Oh, she's sick?
it kind of time consuming.
Oh, sorry about that. I hope she get better soon, alright? Okay?
Yes, thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, Chevelle, what about your response? What it means?
It means the intersection of two sets.
And what does that mean?
It means that, for example, we have a set A and set B, and there are things common in both of them, or two, then that would intersect.
Okay. So we use it whenever you have two or more sets having something common to both sets, right? Is that clear?
Yes,
Alright.
yes.
Let's look at an example for Zanga's sake, right? Let's look at an example. Let's say I have set A equal to multiples of what? 3 less than 19. Which should be 9. What's the next number come after 9? Chevel?
12.
Eh? No man. We're talking about multiples multiples of 3 less than 19.
So
So
next one is
12.
12. What's the next one?
15,
15. Next one.
18,
18.
Alright, good. Very good. Alright, so we're going to look at another one now. That's set B. Multiples of, no, not multiples, even numbers less than 19. Even numbers less than 19. So
2.
2, yeah,
4.
yeah.
6.
Mm-hmm.
8.
Mm-hmm.
Less than 19.
Yeah, less than 19.
10, 12, 14, 16, 18.
15?
16.
Oh, 15. Alright, good. So those are even numbers less than 2. Less than 19. And of course, it could be multiples of 2 as well, right? Now you have
yes.
been asked how to draw a Venn diagram to show the information. Alright, so let's set it up a bit. Alright, so let's put in information. What is going to go in intersection, Miss Campbell? What we're going to put in the intersection area? Can you tell me? Let's use your prior knowledge. What would I put in the middle right there? Alright, can I hear from Miss Campbell? Chevel?
What was the question?
No, I'm asking, what would you put in the middle right here? Which are the elements you
Alright,
put in the
so
middle?
12.
You put in 12, okay.
6.
12 and 6. Alright, hold on.
12 and 6
Okay, 12 and 6.
would be in the union.
Now we're talking about the intersection. That's not union. Intersection.
Or the intersection.
Yeah, 12 and 6. What else?
Um, that's all I'm seeing that is in both sets.
You sure? Look good. Expand your screen and look good. Look good enough. You have 6 and 12. Nothing more?
18.
What's that?
18.
18. Very good. So you have to use the eyes here. And come on to mathematics, you have to use the eyes. Have to use the eyes. Alright, so that is it. Is she correct, Chevel? Is she correct, Chevel? Is she correct?
Yes, sir.
Alright, good. Alright, so we're gonna write the remainder of A now in A. So that will be 3 That would be what? 9. Then we have 15. So that one is for A, right?
What, 15?
Yeah, we have.
Yes, it is.
Okay. And then we'll the rest for B now. 2. We have 10 minutes in this session remaining. So whenever the 10 minutes up, you have to re-log in, all right?
Okay.
So now you have then after we have what? What's it? 9? No, that's 4. Then we have after 4, we have 8. Then we have 10. After 10, we'll have 14. After 14, we'll have what now? 16. Alright? So that
Yes.
14, hold on there. That 14 has to go inside the box. So we'll pick it up. Circle right there. So there you have it. So when we're using this symbol over here now, this is how it is written. So we are saying now, open A, intersect, and let's see if I can draw it. Like a very good artist. Okay. So that's A intersect B. Alright. And that will equal to 6, 12, and 18. We close it. That's what that's all about. Alright? Good. You understand now, Miss Campbell, the difference between intersect and union now?
Not quite.
Alright,
What I am getting?
yes. Not hearing you, Miss Campbell. Zanga, I'm not hearing you. Zanga, I'm not here. Go ahead. Miss Campbell, not hearing you. Uh, turn off the webcam. So your audio it can work better. Turn off the webcam, please. All right, go ahead. Go ahead.